Hello everyone. So we are still trading the gold, and the gold this week actually has wrote history and rose to the highest level, or actually the highest price in its existence. As you can see, the gold has actually reached almost 2,790 before falls back to another 120 pips. So now what's next with the gold? Before we continue, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, don't forget to please check our free channel on gold signals on Telegram. This is of course a new channel. We have launched it only this week, and of course we have also the premium gold signals channel, and we have made over 250 pips under just 2 days in our channel. So of course we are sending mainly scalping signals on the gold, because now the gold is actually really great for scalping. That's why our signals are really highly reliable, and we actually advise you guys to try it and give it a try. You can of course join the free channel through the link in the description below of this video, and if you wish to join the premium one, you can simply contact our support and they will guide you to join the premium one. So now what's next with the gold? That's the big question. First of all, let's now move to the daily chart. So right now, of course, the daily chart still has, this daily candle still has around 9 hours for the closure, and most likely it will close actually as a bearish one. Now the gold has surely rose and been way overbought, and as you can see, we actually have even here a resistance trend line, and the gold kept respecting that level of a resistance trend line over the time, and right now it seems like the gold is still giving up to break out from this level, and most likely now we can witness of course a bearish reversal. But wait, we are not selling yet. Now what we will do right here of course is simply wait for the gold to fall to a certain point before we can continue or actually start buying it. Now let me just show you something. Based on daily chart again, here of course we have a broken level of a a resistance trend line. This is important because that level of a broken resistance trend line has already become right here a new support trend line. And pay attention that this is of course daily candles. So meaning how many candles we have on the new support trend line? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. Then finally the current candle, Tuesday candle was a full bullish one, and right now on Wednesday the next candle seems to be weaker, and that means that the gold most likely right now is getting ready to fall again to retest the same level of the support trend line to create hopefully a new support trend line number 2. And that's really good. So meaning we actually have got to wait for the gold to fall to a certain point before we can continue buying it. Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. Now here is the trick. Based on the 4-hour time frame, what we can see right now, as you can see right here, of course, a resistance trend line, and check this out. So what I will do right now is simply draw here the real the line. I will draw it of course only on the real levels of a resistance trend line. So we have here 1, number 2, a fake breakout number 1, fake breakout number 2, then the real level of a resistance trend line number 2. So that means that most likely right now the gold will continue to fall till it respect or actually retest the real level of a resistance trend line to create a new support trend line. Not only that, but even right here, if we look at the horizontal level, we have here a great harmony, and we can see we can see clearly at 2,785 we have of course a broken level of a resistance, which most likely will become here of course a new support. And of course by that we are just really hoping for the gold to respect these prices or these levels, considering also that again based on the 4-hour time frame we also have right here of course a support trend line. This is really nice. So we have actually 3 kind of confirmations supports our analysis. So meaning the gold most likely will respect actually this level of a support trend line and then climb its way after respecting or actually retesting the broken level of a resistance. After that the gold will continue to rise to retest of course the highest level of the resistance again at 2,790. So that means that we can buy the gold exactly at 2,758, targeting of course the highest level of a resistance at 2,786, which means we are actually seeking around 285 pips of profit. And in this case our safe zone shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level of a key resistance right here exactly at 2,744, which is going to be ranging for around 140 pips exactly. Let me now please write the signal for you. And there goes our deal, my friends. Of course, I'm totally aware the market is still far from the entry. It's just very close, actually, to the take profit level. But that is, of course, the only and the best and good chance, of course, that we have on the gold right now. So basically, it's gonna be very risky, but maybe you can actually continue shorting the gold till it reach our buy entry. But again, that is really risky. It actually holds 80% of risk, if not even 100% of risk, because right now, my friends, the gold is really hard to predict. The gold actually writing history, it's actually literally swimming in the uncharted water. So please be careful and wise, and remember, every trade you're opening on the gold might actually fail. So please don't get shocked if it failed. Of course, I know many of the followers here, they really trust my analysis. I'm very, very thankful. But again, I cannot say that I know how the gold will move. That's going to be a big lie and just pretending to be someone I'm not. And of course, again, don't forget, of course, to join our free channel of the gold scalping signals on Telegram. You can find the link in the description below of this video, or you can just simply look it up right here, Xtreme Gold Signals. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.